Welcome to today's discussion on the ICO landscape in the British Virgin Islands. The BVI has emerged as a popular destination for launching initial coin offerings, or ICOs, thanks to its favorable regulatory environment and business-friendly laws. In this video, we'll briefly explore the significance of the BVI's Virtual Assets Service Providers Act of 2022. Passed in 2022 and coming into force in February 2023, the VASP Act aims to regulate certain activities relating to virtual assets undertaken by BVI entities. However, the issuance of virtual assets is not currently included as a regulated activity under this legislation. This means that existing securities laws still apply, making the BVI an attractive jurisdiction for ICOs. Stay tuned for more insights into the ICO landscape in the British Virgin Islands, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel for more informative content on ICOs and blockchain technology. In this segment, we'll delve into the world of initial coin offerings, or ICOs. ICOs are a form of fundraising through which new projects can raise capital by issuing virtual assets, such as cryptocurrencies or tokens, on blockchain networks. They serve as an alternative method for startups and early-stage enterprises to access funds that they might not otherwise obtain through traditional capital markets. Now, let's compare ICOs to traditional initial public offerings, or IPOs. In an IPO, investors receive securities, like shares or bonds, that are dependent on the performance of the issuer's business. In contrast, ICOs involve the exchange of cash for virtual assets, typically called tokens. These tokens often have a specific utility within the project's ecosystem, such as access to products or services. Utility tokens play a crucial role in ICOs, as they are the primary assets being exchanged. Rather than being directly tied to the success of the underlying business, the value of these tokens is determined by market demand. Investors often hold onto utility tokens in the hope that their value will increase as the project gains traction and the tokens become more widely accepted as a means of exchange within the platform. Stay tuned for more information on the ICO process and its relation to the British Virgin Islands. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on blockchain and the cryptocurrency industry. In this section, we'll explore how ICOs are structured in the British Virgin Islands and the advantages of using a BVI business company for this purpose. When it comes to structuring ICOs, a typical approach in the British Virgin Islands involves establishing a new issuer vehicle, commonly known as the ICO issuer. This issuer is created and managed by a group of sponsors or founders, with the aim of raising funds for a specific project, which is detailed in the ICO's business plan or white paper. BVI business companies, incorporated under the BVI Business Companies Act 2004, are frequently used as ICO issuers, and there are several key advantages to using BVI law in this context. Some of the main benefits include corporate flexibility and efficiency. BVI law is modern and commercially minded, allowing for a high degree of flexibility in structuring and managing an ICO issuer. Absence of capital control and maintenance rules. This allows for the free flow of funds in and out of a BVI ICO issuer, making it easier to raise and deploy capital. Tax neutrality. BVI companies enjoy a favorable tax environment that can help reduce costs and complexities for ICO issuers. Low incorporation and annual maintenance costs. Compared to other jurisdictions like Cayman and Bermuda, the British Virgin Islands offer lower costs for company formation and ongoing maintenance. Efficient company maintenance and non-onerous obligations. BVI companies are subject to progressive and commercially friendly regulations, which make it easier to manage and maintain an ICO issuer. Transaction fluency. The British Virgin Islands is home to a strong professional services community, ensuring that transactions are handled professionally and efficiently. By leveraging the benefits of BVI law, ICO issuers can enjoy a more favorable environment for raising capital and conducting their operations. Stay tuned for further insights into the regulatory landscape for ICOs in the British Virgin Islands, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the blockchain and cryptocurrency industry. In this segment, we'll delve deeper into the specific advantages of conducting ICOs in the British Virgin Islands, focusing on corporate flexibility and efficiency, tax neutrality and low maintenance costs, and efficient company maintenance and transaction fluency. A. Corporate flexibility and efficiency. BVI law offers a modern and commercially minded framework that enables a high degree of flexibility when it comes to structuring and managing an ICO issuer. This is particularly important for companies operating in the fast-paced and rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, where adaptability is key. B. Tax neutrality and low maintenance costs. The British Virgin Islands is known for its favorable tax environment, which can help reduce costs and complexities for ICO issuers. Additionally, compared to other jurisdictions like the Cayman Islands and Bermuda, the BVI offers lower costs for company formation and ongoing maintenance, making it a more cost-effective choice for ICO issuers. C. Efficient company maintenance and transaction fluency. The British Virgin Islands boasts a strong professional services community, including lawyers, accountants, and corporate services providers. This ensures that transactions are handled professionally and efficiently, which is crucial for the success of any ICO. Furthermore, BVI companies are subject to progressive and commercially friendly regulations, which make it easier to manage and maintain an ICO issuer. In summary, the British Virgin Islands offers numerous advantages for ICO issuers, including corporate flexibility and efficiency, tax neutrality and low maintenance costs, and efficient company maintenance and transaction fluency. These benefits contribute to making the BVI an attractive jurisdiction for launching and managing ICOs. Stay tuned for further insights into ICOs and the British Virgin Islands, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the blockchain and cryptocurrency industry. In this section, we'll discuss the relevant BVI legislation for ICOs that you should be aware of when considering launching an ICO in the British Virgin Islands. These laws and regulations include the Electronic Transactions Act 2001, the Securities and Investment Business Act 2010, anti-money laundering laws, the Financing and Money Services Act 2009, the Beneficial Ownership Secure Search System Act 2017, and compliance with FATCA and CRS. A. Electronic Transactions Act 2001. This act provides the legal framework for electronic transactions, signatures, and records in the BVI. It ensures that transactions conducted electronically have the same legal validity as traditional paper-based transactions, which is essential for ICOs and the digital nature of cryptocurrencies. B. Securities and Investment Business Act 2010, SIBA. SIBA governs the regulation of investment business activities within the BVI. It sets the requirements for licensing and registration of businesses involved in securities and investment activities, including ICOs, depending on the nature of the tokens being issued. C. Anti-money laundering laws. The BVI has enacted various anti-money laundering, AML, and counter-terrorism financing, CTF, laws to ensure that its financial system is not used for illegal purposes. ICO issuers must comply with these laws, implementing adequate measures to prevent money laundering and terrorist financing. D. Financing and Money Services Act 2009, FMSA. The FMSA regulates money services businesses operating in the BVI, including money transmission services, currency exchange, and the issuance of digital currencies. ICOs that fall under the scope of FMSA may need to obtain a license or register with the BVI's Financial Services Commission. E. Beneficial Ownership Secure Search System Act 2017, BOSS Act. The BOSS Act mandates that BVI companies maintain accurate and up-to-date information about their beneficial owners. This legislation is aimed at increasing transparency and reducing the risk of financial crimes, and ICO issuers must comply with its requirements. F. Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, FATCA, and Common Reporting Standard, CRS. BVI companies are required to comply with international tax reporting standards, including FATCA and CRS, which aim to prevent tax evasion and promote transparency in the global financial system. ICO issuers must ensure that they are in compliance with these reporting obligations. In conclusion, When launching an ICO in the British Virgin Islands, it is essential to be aware of and comply with relevant legislation, including the Electronic Transactions Act, SIBA, AML laws, FMSA, BOSS Act, FATCA, and CRS. These laws and regulations help ensure that ICOs operate legally and securely within the jurisdiction. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on ICOs and the British Virgin Islands, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. As we wrap up this discussion on ICOs in the British Virgin Islands, let's take a moment to look at the future outlook of ICOs in the BVI and reiterate the advantages of this jurisdiction for ICO issuers. A. Future outlook of ICOs in the British Virgin Islands. With the BVI's forward-thinking approach and legal framework, the future outlook of ICOs in the jurisdiction appears promising. The BVI's proactive stance towards regulating the cryptocurrency and blockchain space, along with its robust legal system, makes it an attractive destination for innovative projects and ICO issuers. B. Advantages of the BVI as an ICO jurisdiction. The British Virgin Islands offers numerous advantages as an ICO jurisdiction, including corporate flexibility, tax neutrality, low maintenance costs, efficient company maintenance, and transaction fluency. Additionally, the BVI's solid regulatory framework, which is geared towards ensuring transparency, security, and compliance with international standards, contributes to its reputation as a premier offshore financial center. C. Call to action. If you found this discussion on ICOs in the British Virgin Islands insightful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to spread the knowledge. Stay tuned for more content on the ICO landscape in offshore jurisdictions, and make sure you don't miss out on any valuable information that could help you navigate the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies and ICOs. And with that, we conclude our deep dive into ICOs in the British Virgin Islands. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this information valuable. Remember to stay informed and engaged, as the world of ICOs and cryptocurrencies continues to evolve at a rapid pace. In today's segment, we'll be discussing